Self-bonding is an advanced technology that coats full surfaces with self-bonding varnish, enabling silicon steel to automatically bond into an integral structure under specific conditions. Traditional riveting and welding interrupt magnetic circuits have difficulties in processing ultra-thin silicon steel and precision structures, while self-bonding iron cores utilize full-surface bonding methods, significantly enhancing bonding strength. Place the bare strip into the professionally customized coating machine. Apply the coating solution to the surface of the silicon steel strip. Control the drying temperature and time to achieve a precise and controllable conversion of the coating solution from state A to B. Stamp individual laminations from the coil and stack them. The stacked laminations are then heated and pressurized to achieve the conversion of the coating liquid from state B to C, joining the individual laminations to form a solid iron core. For some specifications of iron cores, heating and curing can be done in the mold. Through continuous stamping of individual laminations and stacking, with simultaneous heating and curing, the iron core is finally obtained after separation. Self-bonding iron cores deliver superior overall performance, making them ideal for high-precision, high-performance next-generation cores. At Huazi, we're committed to delivering excellence. Follow and like us to stay updated with the latest industry insights.